Sorry guys, that was a little bit of a hiccup. My bad. Might take a little bit of time for people to get back in here now, but it's alright. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully y'all know what to do and get back in here. Too fast. Sorry guys, bit of a mess up. Hey Horse Soldier, hey Tyler, hey Jeff, how you doing? Yeah, my bad guys. So basically, I don't really know how to explain it, but what's it called? Basically what happened is my bitrate was low, so it's gonna be bugging the whole day. So I just wanted to fix it. And now it's gonna take a little bit to get everyone back in here, but if you guys could leave a like on the stream again, that'd be nice. But yeah, I mean, I'll just start right now. I'll start right now since it's already been 5 minutes. I don't want to keep y'all waiting. Yeah, we're good to go. My bad, boys. Appreciate you, Tyler. Appreciate you leaving a like automatically. That's what we love to see. Hey, Alexander, how you, man? Alexander, were you in our Discord back in the day? I can't remember. Okay. Let's go. Let's get started. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Yeah, if you guys want to subscribe, it'll pop up there. Hopefully, it's working anyways. All right, so, oh, wow. Shiba Inu Coin is no longer the #1 trending stock or active stock on StockTwits or cryptocurrency on StockTwits. That kind of sucks. We are the second most added to watch list as well. Hey guys, I mean, I had a bad day or a bad morning yesterday, and I had a bad morning today, so that's why we're doing this stream so late. Both Kyle and I weren't ready. What's up, Bo Brooks? Shiba versus pumping. Need Shib to hit 0.0005 to pay off my house. Can you explain why Shiba is dropping? Sure, we'll get into it. Just want to remind you guys, social metrics still good. Everything's good there. We won't spend too much time on that though. For a hot sec, haven't checked it in a while. Oh yeah, we no longer have a Discord, but thought I remembered you. All right, so here we are on public. You can see that Shiba Inu is sitting around that 70 area for a time. It was at that in the 69s, but obviously we have that support at 60, so and the resistance at 88, and it's just going to be trading between those places for a while until we get a catalyst or we get a technical breakout. But yeah, so if you guys are here, just got to the stream, make sure you guys leave a like, and also you guys can subscribe if you want, and it should pop up on the screen. I think I might have to check it. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I don't think it's updating, so I'm probably just going to remove it. One sec, y'all. Remove. I thought I said one. Oh, yeah. All right. Boom. Cool. Bought the dip. All right, so here we are in public. You can see if you guys want to get some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and leave a wait, oh, I just got everything confused. I'm a little bit out of whack today, I'll be honest. But if you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, go ahead and use the first link in the description. If you deposit $1 on the platform, you're gonna get up to $70 worth of free stock. Now, keyword is up to, you won't just get $70, although it's a possibility. More often it is around $5 to $10, but the highest I've received is a $50 stock. So if you guys are interested, you can use that first link in the description. Also, make sure you guys leave a like. That's going to be it for that plug. Anyways, let's talk about some news. Cool. Yeah, make sure you guys leave a like. Really helps to get the stream out to more people. But yeah, let's see. Oh, apparently Shiba Inu News is sending out some Shib to your wallet, or to people's wallets. It's pretty cool. Had to sell my Shib due to an emergency. Been a holder since around May/June. Disappointed, but I had to do it, but I had to do what I had to do. Hopefully, I'll be able to buy back. PayPal said stay tuned for a big surprise. I believe PayPal does have a petition to get Shib as a form of payment. Let's check on that petition and see where that is at. That would be some big news. Yes, I've already looked at this. Yes, about 72,000 signatures. So I mean, obviously the oh, this guy's literally what's it called? Promoting his Shib wallet on there. That's pretty funny. But yeah, I mean, that's a lot of interest, and who knows, maybe PayPal took note of it. A lot of people saying Shiba in their what's it called? Shiba in the comment section. That is good. But this is really one of the biggest pieces of news from today is that the crypto exchange Kraken will list, with more than 7 million users, will list Shiba Inu Coin tomorrow. So that's going to tap into a new market. I'm aware that some people might already be on like Coinbase that use Kraken, but this is just going to be even more awareness. I'll buy you a Red Bull. Appreciate you, Joseph, for the super chat. Yeah, I'm sorry if this energy is down today, guys. This weekend has just been a bit crazy. We can't see the screen. I'm an idiot, guys. I'm sorry. Gosh, I'm not firing on any cylinders today, guys. That is my bad. Thank you for commenting. But yeah, so right here you can see PayPal said stay tuned for a big surprise with a bunch of cash and eye emojis, and then obviously when you look at the change.org petition to get PayPal list or to accept Shiba Inu Coin, there are 73,000 people that have signed this. So who knows? That would be some really good awareness for Shiba Inu Coin. Yet another catalyst or possible catalyst for Shib. But yeah, this is really the biggest thing is is Kraken listing Shiba Inu Coin tomorrow. Crypto exchange Kraken has indicated the Shiba Inu Coin will be listed on its platform Tuesday. The Dogecoin rival has gained much popularity recently. We already know all this. Wow, I didn't even know that Kraken was founded in 2011. That's quite a while for a crypto exchange. So yeah, I mean, even when Public was announced, they have less people, and I believe that it gave it a little bit of a bump, maybe like a 3 or 4% bump. So whenever that goes live, that could definitely, give it maybe a little bit of a bump in price. That'd be really awesome to see. But yeah, that is going to be one of the biggest pieces of news for today. Do you think? Never mind. I only have 2 million in Shiba, but only buying what I can afford to lose. More than enough for me for sure. How big is Kraken? I read it's huge internationally. I believe it said that it has 7 million active users, which for comparison, Robinhood's about 31 million, I believe. I could be wrong. But yeah. Does Surge Inu actually burn Shiba Inu, or is it a scam? I actually don't know anything about Surge Inu. I believe that's what they said. What is their market cap? Is it just 326 million? Because this should be fully diluted. I don't know. But I mean, if it does actually burn Shiba Inu like $326 million, it's a pretty good amount. Also, supply doesn't seem to be accurate in any place. Okay, yeah. So the thing about the circulating supply issue, a lot of people get angry over this, over the circulating supply issue, which makes sense because it literally stopped our run. Like 7 days ago, literally we were on our way back up. We were at the 81 level trying to take back over the all-time highs, and then literally when that circulating supply issue came about, literally everyone started to sell off. So it literally stopped our momentum. So I get why a lot of people are mad, and trust me, I mean, I don't want it to be that way either. But at the end of the day, you know, it's just coin market cap and like everyone else's word against Satoshi Kusama's. And I don't think they added there's just no shot they could add any supply, because there's literally no way they can. It just may have been misreported in the first place by me. At the end of the day, I know as much as you guys. Like, who really knows whether the circulating supply is correct or not? You know, I don't know how CoinMarketCap was incorrectly doing that circulating supply number wrong for so long. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's pretty much over right now. Over at this point, I feel like everyone should just move on from that issue. Personally, how much do you expect the price to jump by tomorrow? So we're getting listed on that Kraken exchange. Obviously, if we want to listen to that word of the one guy, or the word of that one guy, this guy, Dr. Joe Reed, then, you know, Robinhood could also be listed soon. But this guy doesn't. This guy, I just don't feel like is actually a lawyer, cryptocurrency financial advisor. I feel like this guy could be sadly a scammer, because first of all, these DMs look a little weird, right? I mean, maybe it's Android. I don't know. That looks pretty fishy to me. And the fact that a lawyer and a financial advisor doesn't know how to spell like different things correctly, just kind of leads me to believe that it's not real reporting. You all got good vibes that it has been sticking at about the 7 flat for a few hours. Oh yeah, but what do I think it'll get to by tomorrow? With the Kraken exchange, I can see about a 5% jump in price, maybe 10%. But really, you know, we're gonna have some resistance here at the 76 level, and it might be a little bit harder to get over that just in the interim, without a real piece of news. Maybe Kraken could be the one to do that, and then we can get to this previous resistance. But I kind of agree with the guy who said as soon as we get to all-time highs at around this area, then we'll probably come back down and settle somewhere in the 8s until the Robinhood catalyst or some other catalyst comes along. Yeah, Dr. Joe is not a verified account, and you know, he says he's a CPA, he says he's a lawyer, he says he's a financial advisor. I just feel like this guy is promoting FUD personally. I mean, I know that we reported on it, but Kyle and I actually didn't watch Kyle's video, but I tried to stress that this guy wasn't verified, and that, you know, he could just be lying because maybe he's not himself. So I mean, he says this is his background. I just don't know if I believe him, if I'm gonna be honest with you. I just don't know. If you guys could please leave a like on the stream, it'll help a lot more people get in here. Also, if you want to chat, you have to subscribe, and then you can chat in the chat. Kraken has more followers than Robinhood on Twitter. While that might be the case, Kraken only has 7 million users, and Robinhood has 31 million users. So that's really That's really what matters, is the users. I mean, yeah, but like Kraken is big. Like that's a great thing. But so minus Robinhood, what other current catalysts are there? So other than Robinhood, obviously the Kraken thing tomorrow will hopefully be do a lot for us. And then also we have the Shiba Inu, or the Shiboshi's game coming out, which will be a burn, which will be burning Shiba Inu Coin, which is really good. And Jesus, like my mind is just slipping right now for some reason. Sorry guys, I probably lost a lot of brain cells last night. I'm not going to lie to you. What was I going to go? Oh yeah, so this whale, Ethereum, Jamili, did buy about 153 billion Shib, or about $11 million of Shib. So you guys know we love our whales, and whenever they buy something of this magnitude, that is what we love to see. They could know something we don't. Big money like this, they have, inside information. So much FUD today. Any comments? What kind of FUD was out today? My patience is amazing. I don't know what you're referring to with that, like with people like commenting, or with just waiting for the price of Shiba Inu to go up, because I'm not in any rush. I don't need this money. I don't need to be a millionaire in Shib. Right now, I could be a millionaire in Shib next year, and I'd be so happy. Or I could be $100,000 heir with Shib next year, and I'd still be happy. Guys, here's my take on getting other coins. My goal is to become a millionaire. I sold all my assets and bought only Shib. Shib is a top 10 crypto, so many new investor money always trickles down to top 10. I would probably, yeah, it's a good take. When are you going to do DMT with Joe Rogan podcast? We actually did have a podcast back in the day, but you guys probably wouldn't watch those videos for the most part. So, I mean, I have been thinking, I haven't talked to Kyle about it at all, but once Kyle and I are both out of college, which will be next semester, after next semester, and we move in with our friend Brendan, we might want to create a podcast where we, talk a little bit about finance and Shiba Inu Coin and all this other stuff, but mostly, talk a little bit about all that, but mostly talk about just like life, and I like to think we're kind of funny guys, so I think you guys would like it, but we'll see. I feel like Jack Dorsey is part of Shib. All right, guys. So here's a deal I got for you guys. If you guys get the likes to 250, that's kind of a big thing right now. If you guys get the likes to 250 in the next 5 minutes, so by 8:30, I'll buy $25 a Shib right now. Don't start with the Brandon thing, bro. I don't want any politics on this channel. Once you make $1 million, you can easily double it in Saitama, Luffy, or any other altcoins. You don't need that debt. You talking to me? I don't got debt. You forgot about the Tesla catalyst there. Oh yeah. Oh, so the thing about the Tesla thing, apparently the code has been removed. But that's not to say that the code won't be put back in. Basically, if you guys aren't aware, Tesla had code in place that wasn't active, but for Shiba Inu Coin to actually be accepted as a form of payment. Forget college. I honestly do want to forget college, but I am locked into rent here, and I'm gonna stick around. I'm gonna stick around, and I'm also in a fraternity, so get my last bit of fun out before me and Kyle go full time and start making 8 videos a day each. But yeah, so if you guys get those likes to 200 by 8:30, I'll buy $25 in Shib. How many Shibs to be a millionaire? What major am I in? Advertising, but it's just to get the what is it called? Get the degree. I've learned way more on YouTube and other ways than college has ever taught me anything. That doesn't mean that I hate college though. I love college. Being in a fraternity is super awesome. Oh, college debt? Yeah, no, I'm not in college debt. I could definitely be successful with without college, and well, I don't really need college to do what we're doing. If whales are buying, why isn't it going up? Well, I mean, so if you think about it, I mean, so $11 million, that's not even 1/100th of, it's not even 1/1000th, I don't think, of this market cap. So, I mean, while, you know, that is a good thing, whatever whales buy, I just like to follow because, you know, when they buy $11 million, it's not going to move it too much. But it does give me faith that someone with a lot of money in this thinks that it'll do well. So that's kind of what I think. What school do you attend? I go to Northern Arizona University. F college, go to trade school. People normally get gated with a need for a degree. Comes to management, I'm a SAS. Yeah, I don't think you need school. I just kind of did it and then kept doing it. Go like the video. Yeah, so you guys got about 3 minutes. If you get 200 likes, I'll put in if there's 200 likes on this live stream by 8:30, I'll put $25 in the Shib right now. How many Shibs to become a millionaire? Diversifying investing is conventional. With crypto, things can be different because their returns are insane. So the thing about getting returns in crypto right now, I mean, while yes, the returns can be insane, the losses can be pretty insane too. I mean, a lot of people say, just take Shib for example. A lot of people that bought in at the 30 area, or like the high 20s, aren't gonna hold on over here, and they are gonna lose about 90% of their investment. Like, they're not gonna be willing to wait from May all the way till October for this second run up. So a lot of people would say have paper hands are going to paper hand this coin. So, you know, if you think that you know exactly what's going to happen with the coin, I mean, that's really good, but a lot of people do sadly paper hand it. Can you explain the circulation issue with Shiba? I did go over it, but I'll do it again. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes, 22 more likes. Let's go. And I'll put $25 in Shib. Sam Edinger said, Saitama hit a high today. Shib soon to follow. Appreciate you, Sam, for the super chat. I haven't really checked out Saitama. Let me check this out. Saitama. Y'all got 2 minutes to get these likes up. Thanks for the free stock, bro. I got Tesla from your link. Appreciate you for saying that. What's it called? I mean, yeah, there's really nothing you can lose. You could literally just put in $1 and you're gonna get back, anywhere from $5 to $70. Actually, it could be. I think it can be $4 that you get, but I'm not really too sure on that. But there's really no downside to depositing $1 in public. Oh crap! The likes just went way up. All right, you guys got me. Would you guys rather me burn Shiba, or would you rather me buy Shiba? That's my question. I'm gonna buy it right now because that's what I said I'd do, but okay. Whoa, not sell. I'm not selling, guys. I'm not. That would have been bad. They got Tesla. Yeah, so basically the way the way that Public's thing is, and I'm about to show you guys right here. All right, I said $25, right? You guys aren't gonna see this for a while. I'm pretty sure I said $25. Saitama has a burn built into their code. That's dope. Is it like tokenomics though? Is that like a real burn or is it just tokenomics? I think the good one is XRP. They're likely to win the SEC suit. Yeah, I don't hold it currently, but I've been thinking about buying some XRP as well. Oh dang, you guys all said burned. Okay, well, that'll be the next thing I do. I'm buying it right now though. Why did you invest? Live stream. Cool. Alright guys, so you can see here on public.com, you can actually see our public stock portfolio and crypto portfolio. So you guys can follow us on here at It's Finance Bro. And you can see Shiba Inu Coin obviously on there. And then you can see every time we invest. So say, you know, you want to see what we're doing, you can, not this again. I don't know why it does this. It always does that. I like their app better, personally. But yeah, so you can literally see when we invest in something. Oh, someone already liked it. Appreciate y'all. But yeah, so if you guys want a free, by the way, if you want free Shib, you can literally go to the first link in the description and then download the app, sign up, deposit $1, and then you will get up to $70 worth of free stock. Like someone said, they got a Tesla stock. You can then sell that stock, and then you can literally just invest it right back into Shib. So if you guys want to do that, first link in the description. Keith, thank you for the super chat. You said your take on the Binance Shib / Doge trade pair. I think that is super, super cool. And I mean, I think we should do that with like every, every coin that is in front of us. Cause like, obviously like we can't make it happen, but I think that should be like a thing for Polkadot and XRP so that we can like get our market cap up while also getting their market cap down and eventually, you know, pass these coins. So it is a really cool thing. Okay, do we want to set up another like goal? Maybe when there's more people in here, and then I'll burn the Shib. Then I'll post the address of where it happened. Saitama is Fuego $220 to $50 already. Do you mean $50 to $120? Bro, help shut down the Edward Snowden in the Yahoo Finance FUD articles today. I'm not gonna, I'm personally for, free speech myself, so I'm not gonna help shut anyone down. Yeah, I'm a free speech type of guy. You live your life, let me live mine. Sign the petition for McDonald's to accept Shiba Inu. It has over 5K signed. That's cool. Sam said, not tokenomics. Burn goes with every transaction. Isn't that the definition of tokenomics? Oh, but tokenomics like just distributes it all back to their previous holders, right? So it incentivizes people to hold. Okay, yeah. So it just burns it. Yeah, understandable. They don't buy because they think it's down. Ooh, $120 to $550. That's cool that you got that. Saitama has been a play that a lot of people liked. We just personally are focusing on Shib right now. We're staying, above this 70 level pretty well. Here, I could talk about technical analysis now. All right, so the thing about Shib, right? We've bounced off this this resistance here at 60 3 times now. So we have 3 points of contact, almost 4, but it's not a candlestick, so I don't really count it. So we have a very strong support here at the 60 level. It's gonna be, there's gonna have to be some massive FUD for us to get below 60. So really, the only downside here is about 15%, which is not that much in crypto. The upside is definitely to the all-time highs right here before we meet some resistance. Although we are gonna have to have some more volume in order to get to those all-time highs again, because right now we're just consolidating a bit between the 68 and the 73 area. We are going to come into a little bit of resistance here at the 76 area, just a little interim resistance, but as soon as we get past that, we will fly to the 88 level, and then we'll meet some more resistance. And then also, yeah, the RSI is sitting at 45, so we're not overbought. We are ready to run whenever they are. The MACD still trending down. It's trying to trend back up, but we'll have to see if it starts to do that soon. About looking into accepting Shiba Inu. What's about? Thank you guys all for coming through the stream. By the way, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to get our subs up. 100K by Christmas is our goal. We need to do a little over 1,000 subs a day to do that. So we didn't hit that today, but we have been hitting that recently. Shiba also needs Coinbase with GE for sure. Shib for all fast food. That would be weird just to pull up and be like, all right, your order is going to be $8. I'm be like, all right, here's like 1 million Shib or whatever. I'm kidding. That's like 100,000 Shib, right? Hey, all the way from Canada. Thanks for your vids. Shib to the moon. Hey, I have family in Canada. Where in Canada are you at? How do we get volume without people selling? I mean, it's just buying volume. So the volume is going to come when there is like a catalyst, so the Kraken tomorrow, when they eventually list it, people might get a little bit excited, and then hopefully they invest in Shib, or they invest a lot, and then we'll have more volume, and then we can start breaking out of these technical patterns we are in. I hit McDonald's up about taking Shiba, and they said they were looking into it. What do you know, the higher up execs at McDonald's? Don't mean to laugh, but like volume increases with new investors. Volume doesn't have to increase with new investors. People can just continue to buy more. That's also volume. But yeah, new investors definitely does help out with volume. Any new catalysts today? So really, the new catalyst is Kraken. So if you weren't here, basically they have about 7 million users. People are saying that Kraken has more followers than Robinhood. Actually, I kind of want to see if that's true. Robin the Hood. Really? Okay, they're not popping up. There you go. So Robinhood has about 673,000 followers, and then Kraken has about 886. That's so weird that they have 888,000 followers when they have about, what is that, about a fifth of the active users, or a fourth of the active users of Robinhood. So that's weird. Best exchange to buy from and why? Personally, I like public to buy Shib, but we're also sponsored. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm obligated to say that, but I'm not obligated to say that actually. But I do buy Shib on public. You are way too smart. Thank you, Fat Ehim, with the PH, for the super chat. You are way too smart of what you're doing, and you are doing great. You don't need a college to be successful. You are already successful. I appreciate you. Yeah, I like to think that I am successful, and that I don't need college to do that. But I'm kind of just doing it because I'm in the last semester, so it's just like give my mom some peace of mind, even though I already know what I want to do. Kraken has been in the game longer. Well, they got outperformed by Robinhood. How have I become the Robinhood, what's it called? The Robinhood. Why am I defending Robinhood now? It doesn't really make much sense. And I mean, Kraken is a crypto only place, so that kind of makes sense that they have less users because they don't like offer stocks. Or I'm not sure. Maybe they do offer stocks, but I don't think they do. Right? Keep up the vids, man. We got your back. Appreciate you, Phil. Dump college. Hey, I tried to. I tried to dump college last year. Was it last year? Might have been 2 years ago. 2020. Yeah, so in 2020, like in March, right when the virus was going around, I was interning for a YouTuber. I don't know if I should say which one. They're not in the finance niche, so you guys might not know them. But they have over 1 million subscribers, and I was going to actually drop out of college and go work for him in New Mexico. But, some things I won't get into happened. Eventually, it was nothing bad with the place. I loved working for him, and I, would work for him if things went bad. But basically, my parents didn't want me leaving California and stuff like that, so I just made the decision to not actually go through with it. But I almost dropped out of college to go work for a YouTuber, and now I do YouTube. Make yourself proud, not your mom. I love my mom, so it's not really to make her proud. It's just to give her some peace of mind at night. Be cool, stay in school, or invest in Shiba. Well, I do both of those things. So, yeah. You can be your own financial advisor. Yeah, I mean, I am my own financial advisor. I trust my word more than I trust, a lot of other people's. Stay in college, Zach, or your mom will give you a timeout. I thought she would make me a millionaire before Halloween. Guess it'll have to be before Thanksgiving. One can hope, right? I got a $60 stock on Public today using your referral code, bro. That's what's up, dude. The most I've ever got is like a $50 stock. So, I mean, that's dope. Yeah, use that first link in the description. Deposit $1, you'll get up to $70 with free stock with Shiba Inu Coin if you guys are interested. So you get up to $70 with the free stock. Then you can sell that stock and then invest in Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, free Shib. Although it's not $60 every time, so don't expect to get $60. But it's definitely a possibility. I've gotten $50. Burger King and Robinhood are giving out crypto. That's dope. Just bought $1,500 in Shiba Inu Coin. Guess I'm in for the ride now. That's what's up. I'm on Van Island in BC, Canada. Okay, I don't know where that was or where that is. I have family in two places. Forget what one's called. The other one's called Winnipeg. PayPal situation recap. Okay, yeah, sure. So it kind of just came out that PayPal. Basically, PayPal said stay tuned for a big surprise, and obviously people on Twitter are all about Shiba Inu Coin, so they're hoping, because they put all this cash and money, that they're talking about Shiba Inu Coin, and so that's not confirmed in any way, but this could be a nice little catalyst for tomorrow. College gives you a broad knowledge to face life. Being successful does not mean making a lot of money, but having a balance of life and wisdom comes from education and experience. I would agree. College is, it's good for some people. I would say it's just not very necessary for people that don't go for STEM majors. Like for me, I did advertising, and I learned more in a 3-month span at my internship, my freshman to sophomore year, than I have in 4 years of college. Like easily. They basically just go over definitions and terms and and don't really explain it at a perfect rate. While it's better to just go and do something, learn it hands-on. But like when you're a doctor, you need to know all these different terms. Like for business, you basically learn it as you go. You can't really learn as you go to be a doctor or like an engineer, where it's like playing with, or like you have people's lives at stake. Remember, you got this, guys. Catalysts are great, but they're not sustainable. The retail investors are sustainable because they are long-term holders, so always buy the dip. Don't wait for catalysts. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I agree. You shouldn't wait for a catalyst if you are going to buy, do not wait for a catalyst, because it will lead to an initial like run up and you might catch it. But it's better just to, if you really like something and you think it's going to be good, it's better to just get in whenever you like have your money. Because you're also going to have more gains because you're going to be able to buy on dips and everything of that nature. And also, you don't have to wait for something to happen and then buy in. Can I please have your code for public? I sent it to my phone and it's asking me for a code. So the code changes nothing. The reason that there's like a code for some, it's like you won't get anything extra having a code on public. So yeah, don't worry about the code, guys. You'll still get your free stock. Rabbit, thanks for the $10 super chat. He said, does it help overall to buy higher amounts of Shib at once or same amount of money spread out daily, as far as for all of us keeping it higher? So the amount of money that, say we usually have between 500 and 2,000 people in this stream, like just telling all you guys how to buy something, like, or when to buy something, it's not going to change the market cap much. And say even if you bought $100,000 worth of it, like we all bought $100,000 worth of Shib at once or spread out through the day, it's not going to change the price much. There's so much money that is moved every day, it's not going to change the price much. But yeah, I would just do it personally. I just buy at the same time, like pretty much every day. And yeah. What car y'all buying with your Shib? Lamborghini Huracan. I'm kidding, I won't buy it with Shib, but like I'll buy it with other money. What do you think owning Shiba on 2 platforms would be a great idea? It's never a bad thing to stay diversified. Like so say like Coinbase gets hacked, everyone's crypto, everyone's money just goes away. At least if you had half your Shib in public, half your crypto in public, or say Robinhood, whatever exchange, you would only lose half. You are susceptible when you only use one exchange. Sam Edinger, hey, you've been killing it with the super chats today. Thank you so much. You guys are my favorite channel. I listen to you guys as much as I can. Just got access to my accounts again after 5 years, just in time for these next pumps. That's dope. What exchange do you use? I bought $500 in Shiba in mid-September and another $1,500 in very early October, and right now it's worth $12,000. That's what's up, Kenneth. Did you take your initial investment out, by the way? I'm just curious. You don't get anything? I don't know what you're referring to. I bought Shiba for the first time 2 days ago, and I only have 532,000 of it. Do you guys think it'll go up? If so, to what? I think that it will break all-time highs sometime this week. Personally, that's like my personal, thing. And then I think it'll get to a cent late next year. Personally, what is your exit point price range? Yeah, I don't have an exit point. I don't have a planned exit. I already have taken out my initial investment just because I needed the money at that time, and so now it's basically just playing with house money. But I mean, also I've been investing more, so that's actually kind of not true. So I do have more initial investment, but yeah, I just like lied, not on purpose. Can you say that again? We're susceptible to what if we only use one exchange? So yeah, okay. Say you only have your crypto on one exchange, you are very susceptible to a hack. So say Coinbase gets hacked, literally all your crypto will be gone. When you have it diversified, say you got it in public, you got some in Robinhood, you got some in Webull, you got some in Coinbase, then if one gets hacked, you're only out 25% of your investment or 50% of your investment. So yeah, I mean, hacks have happened in the past. Now it's never able to affect people at scale, but you're susceptible. So it is good to have, you know, Shib in multiple places. Should I buy more? Only if you want to, bro. A cent next year. What catalyst do you foresee for Shib to reach 1 cent next year? So I think the Robinhood catalyst will set off a frenzy, a FOMO, and then I think that the team is going to, like say Satoshi, I think they're going to get really creative, and I think they're going to, what's it called? I think they're going to get creative, and I think they're going to come up with some really good ways to burn coins. So yeah, that's how I think it'll happen. I do want to check out Satoshi before we get out of here. You guys can leave your last comments. I'm going to be ending this soon. Sam Edinger, still figuring out the modern game. I'm spread across a few. Got Saitama from Uniswap. Coinbase mainly though. Very respect. Are any platforms safe? Every platform can be susceptible. Thank you, by the way, Sam, for the $5. Any platform definitely can be susceptible. None's really safer than the others. I would just say have your investments spread out. Buy all the Shib you can afford to buy, everyone. Once the ball starts rolling, you will wish you bought more. Alright, so I'm going to go over these Satoshi things, see if anything pops out. Streamer watches his life savings go to 0 after Squid Game token rug pulls and drops 99.99%. Dang.
$0.168 trillion. And now the mark. Oh! Oh! It went to 0! Yo! So the mark.
That is absolutely
$1 trillion. And now.
Wow. Wow. Dude, imagine losing your life savings on a rug pull. That would be tragic. Thank you for the $4.99. I just met you. Call me Bab. I think I've seen you in here before. Thanks for coming through. I bought in at the 5 cent, or at the 5 zeros, 5s, and 6s. Download to a hard wallet and put it in a safe. That is definitely something you can do. You know, the only thing is, what if there's a fire? That's always a possibility. But you know, you're always susceptible to getting stuff stolen. But it's just better to diversify, in my opinion. So yeah, you can even diversify into a hard wallet too. What's the referral code for public? You do not need a referral code. It'll be the same amount. There's cookies on your browser. So yeah, and like basically, you will get the same amount of stock. There's no bonus for using a referral code. Red light, green light. Never put it all into one place. That turns investing into gambling. I would agree. I lost all my fire million of Dogecoin coin disappear. What will you buy from McDonald's with your Shiba? I'd probably get a what is that one thing? Is it the Angus beef? Like, what is it called? Oh dang, you guys make me want to go to McDonald's now. Thanks a lot. I'm kidding. Like, kinda not. Thank you guys all so much for coming through the stream, by the way. Really appreciate you guys. But yeah, let's go over these last little things. By the way, we're still ahead of Dogecoin. It's all that matters. I bought $3,000 worth at and I'm up 15K. Boom. A hard wallet is basically you put your Shib onto a USB, and it has like I believe it has a passcode. I currently don't have a hard wallet, but you basically can put it, and it's on a physical thing. 40-piece nuggets. You predicted to go to 1 cent early next cent. Late next year is when I think it'll go to a cent. Alright, yeah, I think that's pretty much going to be it for today. Alright, here's a So here's something pretty cool. We only, actually, let me check real quick. I want to get a confirm on this. I'll make you guys a deal. All right, so currently only about where is it? Oh yeah, so here it is. So right now only 14.7% of y'all, I don't know if it'll focus. Let me get my face out of here. 14.7% of y'all are subscribed right now. I'm sure a lot of you guys are subscribed because you guys are all in the chat commenting. But right now we're sitting at, let me see, 27,515 subscribers. If we get to 27,600 subscribers, so gain 83 subscribers right now, I'll put another $25 into Shiba Inu Coin. So yeah, if you guys subscribe, put another $25 into Shiba Inu Coin. That is the deal. That is the deal. What's up, John Doe? How you doing? If Robinhood lists Shiba, what do you think it'll go to? I think it'll double. And then I think people will FOMO in and we'll have another one of those weeks we've been having. Everyone make sure you have your Shib staked to earn interest. That is also something you can do. And it's another way to diversify your Shib as well. Hey, Sam. Appreciate you becoming a member. Let's see if we gained any subs yet. Gained 13 subs. All right, I'll give it 9 minutes. Appreciate you, Sam, by the way. We're gonna try to get some content going on some real content going for the members of the channel. There's not really too much on there right now, but we'll try to get that going. But yeah, let's y'all got I'm gonna do this for an hour, so you got 8 more minutes to get us to 27,600 subs. I think y'all can do it. I just subscribed about 5 minutes ago. Does that count as one? Yeah, no, it's basically just getting to 27,600 subs. Gas fees suck on staking. Ooh, well, I mean, but so yeah, that it does suck. It depends on how much volume you're doing, though. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I guess I'll show you guys how to stake. So it's basically through Shiba Swap. You guys see, right? Yeah, there you go. So if you go to Shiba token, and then you come to down here, you can see use Shiba Swap. You can click on that, and basically you bury your token. So you press bury, and then you can bury your Shib for a 514% APY. So basically you get paid out in bone, which is one of their things. Bone was just at like $1 like just over $1 too. So you could have already doubled your money on what you've earned as well. So a 514% APY, this is variable, so they could just change this at whatever time. But you can go from 514, or you can say you put $1,000 in. You will do you'll get like 4,500, or actually $5,000 in bone back during the year. They can just change this at whatever time, and it's basically up a lot higher whenever you it's up a lot higher when. All right, I'm slow today, guys. I'm sorry. I drank too much yesterday. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. You'll get that per year. You'll get $5,000 per year, and it's paid out in bone. And it's been going up a lot. Like you could check out. I can't check the price right now. Let's see it on. Can I check it on here? I think we should be able to. Bone. Yeah, it's like up 5% today. Yeah, like literally 7 days ago, I was at $1.96, and like so you can make some real money with this. However, I am not staking currently, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, let's check how close we are to that sub number. Ooh, still 45 more to go. Hi man, just came across your channel. Keep up the good work for the Shib army, and he knows the big announcement or any announcement of Burns. Thank you for the comment. Should I YOLO my 3,000 vacation check on Shib right now? I'm not going to tell you what to do. What other coins can be compared to Shiba? Oh, I usually just stick with Shiba personally. Alright guys, if you guys don't know the deal, basically in the next 5 minutes, if I get to 27,600 subs, I'll put another 25 bucks in Shiba Inu right now. I haven't gotten much from it since I started, but it may be slowed down. I'm wondering what's going on. Would you suggest I buy more Shiba? Hey, I'm not going to tell you what to buy, what not to buy. But I do like Shiba. I've bought a lot of Shib. I have massive Shiba holdings. How do you feel about Dogecoin Mars? Personally, I'd like to stick to basically just these 7 cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. I'm thinking about getting into XRP again, but currently not in it. So those 4: Shiba Inu Coin, obviously, so that 5th one, and Polygon Matic and Algorand. And those are the ones I'm sticking with. With Algorand and Polygon Matic, I think these have like the potential to grow the most, other than Ethereum, over the next 10 years. I think Ethereum will be probably the best performer over a 10-year period. $71 million Shibs. Let's go. Hey, that's what's up, Sam. So what is that worth? Like 71 million Shib. A million is like what, 75 bucks right now, or 70 bucks. So 7 times is like 4,800 or something like that. I'm probably wrong. 4,900. Any thoughts on Shib rolling out on Kraken tomorrow? Yeah, I think that's going to be pretty big. I think that could be a good catalyst tomorrow. I think that'll be a great catalyst. Ain't no way you made 15K profit off 3K. What about Cardano? I have around 1,000. I mean, I like Cardano. Really, I mean, everything is going to be built off Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, in my opinion. Bitcoin, I do have it just because it's the original one. Honestly, not too much, like, it's not too good of a crypto. However, it has name recognition, and people, you know, like Aaron Rodgers just said, I'm going to take half my salary in Bitcoin. So, like, people just do it. It's just not, Ethereum's way better. Alright guys, I'm going to buy the Shib anyways, even though we didn't get to the goal. Don't expect me to do this too often though. But yeah, so let me buy some more Shib, I guess. I'm kidding, I'm happy to do it. 20, I said 25, right? Oh, I did say I'd burn it next. Hey Sam, I was kind of spot on right there. That was quick math. Why did you invest? Cool face emoji. All right, so final thoughts. If you guys want some free Shib, go ahead and use the first link in the description. Deposit $1 in public. You're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. You know, it's usually around $5 to $10. Someone in our chat today said that he got $60 stock. I've personally gotten a $50 stock. But you can basically sell that stock if you guys want to, and you can then buy Shiba Inu Coin with it. So that's basically how you can get some free Shib. Use that first link in the description. Public's an awesome app. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream and subscribe. And yeah, you guys can see here, if I go to my portfolio, once again invested in Shiba Inu. So yeah, you guys can follow us on here too to see our portfolio if you guys are interested. And then yeah, also yeah, guys, follow us on Twitter. We do have a Twitter account. We try to use it as much as we can. But yeah, you guys can follow us on Twitter. You can follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and the links in our bio. But yeah, it's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys all so much for coming out. Thank you for